This week began with the Presidential Election Petition Court admitting in evidence a video copy of the INEC chairman Mahmoud Yakubu committing to transmitting the presidential election. The court also admitted as evidence video copies of INEC National Commissioner Festus Okoye speaking on transmission of results and the EU Election Observer Mission to Nigeria confining that INEC did not keep to its promise of real-time transmission of results. Also tendered and admitted by the court were screenshots of INEC results viewing portal, which according to the witness showed that 6 days after the presidential poll, results from only 9,403 polling units were uploaded along with a certificate of attendance.
You see, today we called our star witness who gave very robust evidence, and you see, in the course of his evidence, he also tendered those video clips, very important video clips, showing the INEC chairman making the commitment to Nigerians for that real-time transmission of the results by the beavers machine to the IREF. And you see, with that established, we are very, very happy with what has happened today. And he also tendered even screenshots from the IREF. You saw the documents tendered. So when we now mentioned that we had subpoenaed the INEC chairman, you can see that there are some documents we tendered and they objected to. But now we are also subpoenaing them to come by themselves and produce those documents. Those documents, let them produce them themselves so that we know whether they will object or not object to the ones they will produce by themselves. Thank you very much.
On the next adjourned date, the Presidential Election Petition Court admitted in evidence a forensic analysis report on the 2023 presidential election independently analyzed by a star witness of the PDP and Atiku Abubakar on its ongoing challenge of Bola Tinubu's election. The star witness, Samuel Odunton, identified himself as a professional statistician. His report was admitted amid the objections by the respondents, which include INEC, Tinubu, and the APC. The PDP also tendered a statistical report submitted before the Presidential Election Petition Court, stating that there were irregular votes that tilted the 2023 presidential election in favor of the APC. This formed part of the submissions by an expert statistician presented by the PDP, who under cross-examination admitted that there were irregularities across states won by the PDP and the Labour Party.
Yeah.
On Friday, the national agent of the People's Democratic Party in the last February's presidential election, Senator Dino Melaye, testified before the Presidential Election Court, explained that he walked out of the National Coalition Center and refused to endorse the final result because it was fraudulent. Melaye, who is one of the star witnesses of the PDP, was in the witness box for over an hour, where he confirmed that the result announced at the National Coalition Center was at variance with what was announced, with what was counted at the polling unit levels.
Okay. We are happy. We are making a very evident progress in this trial, and you can see today we called our 22nd witness, who was a key witness, what we call a star witness, and he gave evidence that covered very substantial areas of our case, and he was cross-examined too. So, and after that, we tendered series of documents which INEC produced upon a subpoena. So we are very happy with the progress. We'll continue on Monday. Yes. Yes. This is very, thank you very much. That's a very important question. You see, our witness is a very experienced person, a legislator, and who played a key role in the legislation, which is the subject matter of this case. And you see how he gave evidence of the innovation by the new Electoral Act, which is this aspect of electronic transmission of results. And that is the bone of contention. And once, as he said, there is no compliance with that provision, apparently, even as you saw in the videos played in court by the statement by the chairman of FINEC himself, it affects the transparency, because that innovation is to ensure transparency of results. So this witness who participated in the promulgation of the Electoral Act was so versed in this area of law, and also having been the national collation agent, he was very key in the affairs of that day. So he is a very competent witness, and we are very happy with his performance. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.